Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Ai! He pupurangi! He pupurangi!
Aira, he pupurangi. Pupurangi is a large land snail or ngata.
Ngata. Snail.
What colour is its anga, shell?
Parairi. Brown. He anga parairi.
And what shape is its anga, shell? It's torino, spiral-shaped.
Torino. Spiral-shaped.
Karawe. Like all snails, pupurangi move quite slowly. But do you think they like to kanikani? Dance?
Oh, yay!
Kwarite mai koutou?
Ai!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani. Me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga. Tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga. Nenti matatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka oma tino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga.
What is that pupurangi has given to you?
Aua.
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he'll be able to tell you what pupurangi gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kaki aka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the pupurangi?
Ai rā.
Miharo, marvelous. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Aua.
This thing is kākahu, clothing.
Kākahu. Clothing.
It has a puare, an opening at the top for your māhunga, head,
Mahunga. Head.
and puare on either side for your ringa, arms.
Ringa ringa. Arms.
The big puare at the bottom is for your puku, stomach.
Puku. Stomach.
It's a Tīhāte.
Tīhāte.
Liharo. Marvelous. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He kakariki. That's my colour. He tapawha kakariki.
The tamariki are all wearing Tīhāte. That's it. Put your head through the hole and your arms. Hapai. What colour are these Tīhāte? Whero? Kikorangi? Mawhero. Time to change. What colour are these Tīhāte? Mā? Kōwhai? Kākāriki. Look at that Tīhāte with ropi stripes. It's tino nui, very big.
Tīhāte.
This is the letter R.
Ah.
Shall we learn how to write the letter R?
I.
R. Start at the top in the middle. Go down to the left. Now back to the top and go down to the right. Then draw a short line across the middle. And finally, a line over the top. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down to the left, down to the right, across the middle, and a line over the top. Ah.
Yay!
Me haro Tākaro Tribe. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn about today?
Tīhāte.
Tīhāte. Let's learn to spell it.
T.
Do you think we need a T?
I. N.
Do you think we need a N?
Cow. E.
Do you think we need an E?
I. H.
Do you think we need a H?
I. N.
Do you think we need a Ng?
Cow. Ah.
Do you think we need an Ah?
I. T.
What about another T?
I. E.
Do you think we need an E?
Need an E? I.
Karawe, well done. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Tīhāte. What's the first letter of the word Tīhāte?
Tīhāte. T.
Tino pai. T. Now try sounding out the word Tīhāte.
Tīhāte.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds. Did you manage to spell the word Tīhāte?
Tīhāte. Tīhāte. Yay!
Kārawe, well done. I knew you could do it.
It's a piece of kākahu, clothing. There are puare, openings for your mahunga, ringa, and puku. Tīhāte. It's a tīhāte.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmarie, e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe a. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe a. E pai ai o moe moe a.
Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te maanga.
Pāho.